Hello, my crypto fam, and welcome back to the Crypto Show one more time. We have today one of the hottest projects out there. Pre-sale exploding a meme coin with utility, guys. Sounds unreal, right? Well, say hello right now to the Wall Street Ponke, a crypto rebellion that's here to bring substance back to the meme scene. Today we are diving right now into one of the most talked about pre-sales of 2025, guys. A project that's part meme, part mission, and 100% momentum, guys. Definitely, let's see together what makes right now Wall Street Ponke a true 100x contender. So let's dive in.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. Wall Street Punk right now isn't just another meme coin, it's a statement against the hype-driven garbage, I would say. Launched to bring value right now, safety and real tools to crypto traders, Punk right now raised over $300,000 as you can see over here in its opening pre-sale hours. That's not a hype, that's market conviction, I would say right now. And right now the Punk's mission is to fight back against the scam coins, equipping investors with the AI power detection tools, build a real right now educational and secure meme coin ecosystem. And also guys, at a time when meme tokens are mostly smoke and mirrors right now, Wall Street Punk offers purpose driven hype, and I would say it's working perfect, guys. You'll see what I'm talking about right now. Over here we can see guys the white paper at the website. Over here we can dive deeper right now into that, and I want to show you guys one great utility over here. They have the massive utilities, guys, but for me what is right now really innovative and really great, this is their platform Detector, guys. But overall right now the Wall Street Punk is building a utility first ecosystem that prioritizes security, transparency and user empowerment, I would say. And here is one more time, platform Detector, as you can see, an AI powered detection engine that identifies malicious tokens and shady developers in real time. It flags high risk projects, protecting investors from scams and rug pulls through advanced on-chain analytics, as you can see over here. Perfect, guys. As I already have told you guys, something really innovative. After that, we can see over here layer 2 privacy infrastructure. Namely, this guys platform offers privacy-focused features that eliminate wallet tracking, ensuring decentralized, secure, and anonymous usage for all the traders out there. Isn't that great? Yes, I think. After that, we can see over here developer-centric ecosystem. The project promotes accountability and transparency by empowering right now developers. Namely, instead of favoring crypto whales, Punk positions developers as the true foundation of a healthy and sustainable crypto economy, which is also great, and I am also the opinion like that. And over here we can see the community engagement and education. Namely guys, right now the Wall Street Punk creates a collaborative space where traders right now can share insights, as you can see, signals and strategies as well. By combining right now education with practical tools, the platform bridges the gap between learning and the real world trading execution, guys. As you can see with your own eyes over here, the real utilities are here massive, guys, as this is something different in our crypto space. Because that's right now, in my humble opinion, guys, this is right now one of the hottest gems out there with a really high potential with everything what I can see over here, guys. As you can see, guys, the more utilities, guys, the more the things like this one, guys, the more potential the coin has. You know it already. Definitely, guys, dive deeper or into the white paper. It will be found in the description box down below as well, namely on their website as well. And I would say expand the knowledge about everything that you need to know about right now. Wall Street Punk, my high recommendation, guys. You know it already. All right, as you can see one more time, the value of right now Wall Street Punk is really great and really amazing, guys. As you can see one more time, community empowerment, education, transparency, guys, and as you can see, decentralization. That is everything I would say that we need in one crypto project, a meme like this one, because right now, one more time, this is not the meme, this is the whole ecosystem called Wall Street Punk over here. All right, beside that, guys, we can see over here that we have a trading platform from Wall Street Punk. As you can see, the Wall Street Punk trading platform is your go-to solution for safe and informed crypto trading, guys. Equipped right now with the cutting-edge tools, and it empowers traders to navigate the market with the confidence while protecting their investments, guys. As you can see right now, the project's mission to protect investors, eliminate bad actors, and shift the focus right now from the whales to developers, guys. This is their focus, which is really great. As you can see over here, the key features are smart contract analysis, guys, real-time alerts, and data-driven insights. I would say connected to that, we can also check out one great tweet over here, as you can see on the Wall Street Punk official Twitter, namely X account. With the right now Wall Street Punk AI trading signals, you're not just following the market, you're moving with precision, strategy, and confidence, guys. Remember that. All right, besides that, guys, they're offering to us a really, I would say, AI fraud detection engine. I have already showed you guys that great utility, but I need to say it one more time and to mention, guys, because this is really great right now. The platforms, guys, scans new tokens for red flags and gives traders a warning before they buy. This is really amazing, guys. Think of it like having, I would say, on-chain watchdog that protects you 24/7, guys, all the time, and get you the bonus, guys, and every time something is happening, guys. One more time, guys, the calls are really great. Detect, right now, the ecosystem detects and avoid rug pulls, educate users, guys, encourage long-term engagement, and I would say that's how Ponke right now combines the memes with meaning, which is really incredible. Over here, guys, we can also see the crypto e-learning hub, guys. This is also great because whether you're right now new or seasoned, Ponke provides right now the tools to actually understand what you're trading, guys. It's not just a buy and pray. It's a learn and trade smart, guys. One more time, as you can see, their calls are really massive, guys. They really want to right now educate traders right there, make safer, smart choices, guys. And right now, this is a getaway to smarter trading one more time and a stronger crypto future, in my humble opinion. Also, guys, connected to that, we can also see over here one create one more time tweet with a weak Ponke right now scam detection system. You're not just investing, you're just staying ahead, protected and fully aware, and it's really great. Tokenomics, as you can see, the project pre-sale 35% from funds, project development 10%, HN liquidity 15%, tech rewards as well, guys. As you can see, that means a passive income for us, which is, I think, the goal from everyone out there, and 25% marketing budget. As you can see, it's really right now made for the long-term growth right now, and really, I would say with that, we are creating, guys, the real world utility, guys, with the meme coin, guys. That is something what we can see every day in our crypto space. As you can see, guys, how to buy right now, you're wondering. As you can see, we have 4 simple steps, as usual, I would say. As you can see, they have made it really easy for us. First of all, get a wallet to join right on the pre-sale. You need to MetaMask or Trust Wallet, download and install it, guys, if you don't have one. After that, you need to have some assets, maybe some crypto. You need Ethereum, USDT, or BNB, guys, to buy right now Wall Street Ponke. You can purchase it, guys, on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Maxi, it's so new, or guys, also you can get it with a cross-chain swap. After that, guys, come over here, connect your wallet on the platform on the dashboard namely, guys, and after that, guys, you can buy it very simple. You need to enter the amount that you want to buy with, enter, guys, the asset when you buy the network, and just click on buy and stake, guys. Once the pre-sale ends, number 4, visit their dashboard to claim your tokens, and the tokens will be sent to your wallet ready for the trading or staking, guys. As you can see, that's really easily. Roadmap, I'll show that, guys, in a couple of seconds one more time how to buy this token, guys, because right now this is really hot. As you can see, we can expect a lot of plans, guys. As you can see, the smart contracts in the first, namely the second quarter of 2025 right now. Launch of platform Detector and trading platform, guys, big development of e-learning. As you can see, in the fourth quarter of 2025, you can also expect fully launch a trading platform and e-learning platform, guys, activating also layer 2 privacy features and expand community rewards. Quarter number 3 as well, we can see this is also we can expect a count of pre-sale limit right now and release a better trading platform, launching initial e-learning content and community engagement activities, and in 2026, as you can see, they're planning really to developing themselves, enhancing tools with AI, expand multi-chain support, and a really focused roadmap to build a trusted and innovative ecosystem. Over here, guys, you can see the facts. If you guys have some questions, of course, you can reach to them out if you need some additional requests or something like that. But guys, the facts you can find, I think, everything that you need as well. When you guys talk about it, it's very important to follow them over here on the X, namely Twitter, guys, for the biggest announcements, for the biggest news as well. As you can see, this is right now the massive community, I would say, because don't just buy right now and vanish. Get involved, guys. Follow them the social channels to stay updated and participate in giveaways, airdrops, community posts, guys. Definitely, this is the Twitter. You can also, guys, join the Telegram, be engaged over here also with the community, and you can also be engaged with the visuals over here on Instagram, as you can see, and those great images, guys. You can expect a really lot of things, I would say, over here. All right, also, guys, they have the staking. I can mention it. As you can see over here, the staking is really great, and I would say at the time of this video, guys, the price right now is 0.00026, guys. But guys, here's the very things I would say get interesting, guys. Staking rewards up to 1232% right now. This is really massive. As you can see over here, at the moment, you can see how everything is distributed over here. And as you can see, this rewards will be disturbed over 2 years and will be claimable once the claim goes live. That means the passive income for us. All right, guys. As you can see right now, I'm going to show you guys how to buy it. As you can see over here is the dashboard, namely the app on the website. Really easily, you can buy it. They have raised a lot of money. Look at that, guys. So you have 3 days, 14 hours, guys, under the price. Price over here, this is right now the price of this token, guys. We have now entry at the micro cap level right now. We have growing utility ecosystem, guys, and this is right now what separates Ponke from every other coin trading to ride the meme way, I would say. While others ride hype, Ponke builds tools, I would say, guys. And if you're right now looking for a low risk, high reward entry, this is it right now. So buying right now with Ponke is simple, guys. Connect your wallet over here, just click on connect your wallet, and then you guys buy with the crypto. And as you can see, wallet connect, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, it's on you. My time, guys, make sure to have some assets on your wallet. Use a Web3 payment tool, guys, one of the safest way to buy in. Choose your amount over here, guys, and complete the transaction really securely. Once you buy, stake your tokens to maximize rewards and avoid missing out on future returns, guys. As you can see, really simple, guys. You're right now to become the holder of one of the hottest projects out there, guys, with a really massive potential with everything what I can see over here. If you're not sure, guys, one more time you can see how to buy over here, and you can also pause my video. So, and wrap it up, for me, Wall Street Ponke is right now, it's not your average meme coin. It's raising real funds, building right now, I would say, real tools, offering real rewards, and I would say if you miss Pep, if you ignore Dog right now named Dogecoin, don't let Ponke be another what if, guys. Right now, Ponke might just be your best pre-sale entry of 2025. Please, guys, consider it to expand your portfolio. Tap the links, guys, in the description box down below. Let me know comments in the comments down below, guys, and get in early, guys. Remember, Ponke now right now isn't just a meme, it's a mission, guys. After that, smash that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I will say right now, Wall Street Ponke to the moon.